Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by validating prerequisites and opening the right menus. Make sure your Pixel runs a supported Android release. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in Settings About Phone. Next, open Quick Settings and tap Edit to reveal hidden tiles. This gives you access to Control Center-related tiles and the gestures that trigger it. If System UI Tuner appears, enable it now so advanced layout tweaks become available. This sets up the environment for the next configuration steps. Now you'll install and configure the control center itself. Pick a reputable app or module that explicitly supports your Pixel and Android version, install it, and then open its setup. Grant overlay, accessibility, and notification permissions so the control surface can appear over other apps and interact with system features. Inside the app, choose the layout, tiles, shortcuts, and quick actions, and set a trigger. Swipe from corner, long press, or edge pull. Make logical groupings so frequently used controls sit on the first page. Finish by testing and refining the experience. Trigger the control center in several apps and on the home screen to confirm responsiveness. Adjust sensitivity and tile arrangement if needed. If the overlay fails or gestures conflict, revoke the app's permissions, reboot the phone, then reinstall and regrant permissions. This often resolves permission or overlay priority issues. Finally, make sure your OS and app are up to date and consult the app's compatibility notes if problems persist. This prevents version mismatches from breaking the control center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.